There comes a point when you become more and more aware of the fact that it's your choice what you do, that you begin to realize that it is not the fact that, for example, you can't quit your job because blah 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 blah, or it's not the fact that you can't tell them to fuck off because that's impolite, or it's not the fact that you get the point. It's the fact that you believe that you can't quit your job. It's the fact that you believe that you can't tell that person to fuck off. It's you. That's the glory of growth. It's you. It's this realization, and it's the realness, the depth of the realization that all of the stories that you're telling yourself about how you're unable to do what you really want to do are not true. All the justifications that you can't go lie in the sun because you'll get a sunburn. It is not the sunburn's fault that you can't go and lie in the sun. It's you thinking that you can't go and lie in the sun and deciding that it's the sunburn's fault. I'll give you another 3 examples of the glory of growth. The first is, I cannot quit my job because I need the money, right? I cannot quit the job because I need the money. The painful part here is not that you need the money. The painful part is that you think that you cannot quit your job because you need the money. It's that you think that you have to do something, which is not true. And the thing is that people will say, but it's true, you need the money. It's not true. You just think that you do. It's not. Well, it's easy for you to say. It is easy for me to say. But I hope it'll be easy for you to say as well. It's just a belief. Next thing is, for example, I have to go to school because otherwise my parents will hate me. It's okay if your parents hate you. And the painful thing here is it's not your parents' fault for hating you. That's why you have to go to school. It's your belief that you have to go to school, in this case because your parents hate you. But because your parents hate you, it's just a justification for keeping yourself small. A justification for yourself that you can perhaps give to other people if they ask you why you're so small. You tell them because I have to because ... Justification is always wrong. The problem is never what you think the problem is. The problem is that you think that there's a problem. So you believe that there's a problem. And that's up for you to change. So my third example will be, I have to go horse riding because I need everyone to think that I'm cool. Right? And you might be so angry and frustrated that you need everybody to think that you're cool, but you don't. You don't. It's absolutely and completely fine if not a single human being believes that you're cool. If not a single person agrees with you. If everybody thinks that what you're doing is wrong, it's absolutely and completely fine. The glory of growth is the realization that it's not that you're powerless because of something other people are doing. It's that you think that you're powerless and you're attaching that to something that other people are doing. It's that you think that you're powerless. That's what's painful. That's the problem. And that's what I'm here to change. I'm Daniel Lee. I'll see you around.